By the way, February's here. Here we are. In our climate, that's the month that I've always noticed all these years. That's kind of the month where winter loses its grip. Yes, you can still have wintry weather, but we just don't see as much of it. And for sure, this is the most obvious, the average high temperature climbs from the upper 40s to the mid 50s. By the time we get to mid-month and beyond, Valentine's Day and beyond, we start seeing a lot more 50s for high temperatures, and that's not exactly, winter. As for rain, it is a little bit drier than January, but it's about the same as March. In fact, March nowadays is slightly wetter than February, so don't be thinking it'll get even drier in March. That's not the case. Fifth wettest month. And as for snow, this is one thing that has changed. I did a blog post about this a few days ago. Our average snowfall for February, 1.6 inches. That's about the same as what we get in January and December. And we've had measurable snow 5 out of the last 10 Februarys. In fact, remember last year it was only one storm, but we got 10.1 inches out of that, and that was put us into second place. That tells you there aren't many snowy Februarys, but several of them have been. The top 5 have been in the last 10 years. All right, so we don't see any snowy stuff in the next 10 days at least, so very mild the first part of the month. 43 at our Stoller Family Estate Cam. That was in Dayton. Down here in the South Salem Hills, it's 43. Willamette Valley Vineyards. There's that ski bowl temp. Notice it's nice and cold. That's good quality snow when it's in the mid-20s. And very little rain again today. Some spots of showers, 0.03 of an inch here in Portland to start the month. And you see those temperatures, 40s west of the Cascades right now, 20s and 30s east side. Tonight, I don't think we'll see any freezing west side. It's unlikely because we've got a lot of clouds and a few light showers. But east side, yeah, freezing for just about all of you. Okay, so what's ahead? Well, all gray all day tomorrow. How much rain? Just like today, not much, just a few light showers here and there. Just the big difference, I think tomorrow is going to be totally gray. Now on Thursday, we get early showers. The sun breaks out a little bit later in the day. It looks drier the second part of Thursday. We may be briefly dry Friday morning, although Friday looks showery to me. And then this first half of February, I think it's first week, and this may be the first half too, more dry than wet, with temperatures a little bit warmer. I think we'll move into the lower 50s this weekend and into early next week. So big area of high pressure right here. See how this storm isn't really coming at us? It's kind of going like this. It's falling apart, and the leftovers, basically light showers, are coming down the coastline. That's a cool flow of air for us. The real cold air is back east, and we'll talk about that huge storm back east in the second part of the show. But look at this. Tomorrow morning, yeah, some light sprinkles, totally cloudy. Notice how the snow spreads in east of the Cascades. An unusually cloudy day for central and eastern Oregon as well. We get to tomorrow, to Thursday morning, I should say, and just some light showers across northwest Oregon. I think they go away. The state should be pretty much dry by Thursday afternoon, but here comes another system. It's weak, but it's coming in on Friday morning and midday. So how much rain the next few days? Not much, maybe 1/10 of an inch in the valleys. So this isn't exactly a soaking wet weather pattern by any means. So tomorrow, all gray. It's going to be a little cooler tomorrow. I didn't mention that. It'll feel a little cooler. 3-day forecast. You see the showers around through Friday, but beyond that, we do see some sunshine over the weekend. It could be a dry weekend to start February. Pete and